뭐야 봐.
Since the dawn of time, nature has been a grand symphony, sometimes as gentle as a spring breeze, sometimes as furious as a raging storm. We are but mere visitors before its magnificence. Today, let us immerse ourselves in the incredible power of nature through poetic words and evocative prose. The storm howls across the endless sea, waves crash and roar with savage glee. Thunder awakens the sleeping sky, tearing the night with a furious cry. Foaming waves rise fierce and high, devouring the earth, drenching the sky. The shore, once calm, now lost in despair as nature rages without a care. Flames engulf the mountains wide, lava pours like a burning tide. Smoke and ashes fill the air, turning lush lands to ruins bare.
Acendendo tudo.
Nature is a breathtaking masterpiece, where the wind whispers through the trees and rivers gently embrace the stones. But in an instant, this same nature can awaken in fury, transforming serene seas into monstrous beasts and shaking the earth with devastating force. Look at the ocean. Its waves rise and fall like the heartbeat of the planet. At times it sings a lullaby, kissing the shore with soft whispers. But when the storm arrives, the sea turns into a battlefield, sending waves towering like giants ready to devour anything in their path. Raindrops tapping on a rooftop can be a soothing melody, yet they can also become a raging flood. Water surges, consuming everything in its way, turning streets into rivers and homes into islands adrift. In its fury, nature reminds us of our fragile existence on this planet. Nature whispers soft and light, guiding hearts through day and night. Mountains high and rivers wide, time flows gently like the tide. Storms may roar and winds may weep, waves may crash and oceans sweep. Fires may rise, the earth may shake, lessons learned in paths we take. Still the sun will shine anew, painting skies in golden hue. Flowers bloom and forests grow, life revives in streams that flow. Care for earth with hands so kind, peace and love in hearts we find. If we cherish, if we strive, nature's grace will long survive. So, let's stand, protect, defend, live in balance till the end.
Sí, pues va en la E.
A todo, papá.
Mira, estamos flotando ya, papá. Estamos flotando, no puedo salir del coche ya. No se puede salir de aquí, papá.
Mira, a tocar, ¿eh?